Get right on this area and clear him out, activate his immune system, and turn his power back on. Right here, it's locked, not moving. Oh, man. There you go. Power on.
And then I'm going all the way up into the thoracolumbar. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Okay, just let me have you breathe. That's it. Crack addicts gonna love you too. And last night, you're one of those two, Cassie, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Oh, yeah. Home run.
Oh.
Yep. You can say it. Kind of knocks the air out of you at first, doesn't it? I got you. Drop it in my hand. That a girl. Oh, yeah. Boy, you go.
Get real close to the Gerardo. Breathe in and breathe out. And breathe in and breathe out. So you go like this. There you go. There we go. Good job. You go like this. Keep it up. There you go. Good job.
So make sure that you see the red dot. See how the red dot jumps every time I go over this point? So here it is again. Now let's do it one more time. So that every single time that meter will jump at that point right here.
Yeah.
Right there. So that's it. That's what they call a T4. This nerve goes to his heart. Drop all the, let everything go here. So now we're going to run the meter again and see how much pressure is on there. So now it goes to 15. I'll try it again. And now 12. And now the nerve is calming down. This is how the machine works. Good. That's about it.
There we go. Okay, now just keep breathing through your nose. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay, lay your head back there. Don't lift your head up.
Oh!
Yeah, see.
Oh my gosh.
You're still kicking a little better.
Now we know what a ring dinger is, right?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Boy, your Palmer Diversified Rotary Brace is going to be a crowd pleaser.
That will move a little bit. It dropped everything. I don't expect this to move much at all. Drop. More relaxed. There it is. Just a little bit there. There will be no twisting of your head whatsoever. So watch the chin as it goes up. And there's no twisting, so there's no chance of getting hurt. And there's no twisting, just the chin comes up. And so we're able to move those key bones that we analyzed on the
Good.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Yeah, you good? Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Ways of setting this. You just want to get a nice fluid set for you.
Okay, I'm nervous now.
Okay. Let's start over again.
Why am I nervous now?
You want me to do without a belt?
No, it's not the belt. It's because I know what's gonna happen.
What's gonna
That's
happen?
why.
You still didn't tell me your husband's name.
And I'm not going to.
Why?
Oh,
That's all. Let me just get it.
even though it feels good, it's still a tiny bit.
A little more. Drop it down. Down, 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 down. That's it. Gotcha. 6. There you go. Easy. But I need you to give me the shoulder. More? There. That's all. Bus. Nah, we got more than that. Let's do that one more time. We'll do it as a push-pull. So scratch what I just said. And we're going to set it as an IN. Push-pull. Can you relax the shoulder the best you can, please, dear?
Oh.
Gotcha.
Wow.
Home run.
All right, we're gonna have some upper cervical restriction right in here. Relax here.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Toe still wiggling?
Yeah.
All right, good. You're good. Okay. Right there. Feel how that kind of wants to pull the shoulder up with it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're gonna adjust that one as well too.
Okay. Oh,
Nice. Okay.
good Lord.
All right. Get some adjustments right in through here. Here's some extension right in here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale.
Oh.
You all right?
Yeah.
Good. All right. Good. Just relax. Good.
Wow.
Good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Good. There we go.
Oh man.
Выполняем сейчас глубокий вдох и выдох. Вот. Так. Расслабили шею. И оп. Еще разок расслабили. Вот, хорошо. Ничего.
Whoa, that moved good. You feel all those move in your lower thoracics there? Excellent. Yes, sir. Crack Addict's gonna love you too. There you go. Good. Opera singers. There we go. There you go. Now, I don't have to ask if you felt that all the way down.
Wow.
Yeah.
I did.
That's a wow adjustment. You got great reflexes. Okay. Good old Palmer diversified rotary brake. Yes, sir. Good job.
All right, deep breath in.
Oh. Oh. Sarah's pretty successful.
Well, I think that was. Oh.
Beneficiaries. How's that?
So that we can actually activate those muscle groups. Open the eyes, look down left over here. There we go. Very nice.
You keep doing this?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay.
Relax it now. Okay, we got a little bit right over here. You feel that one?
Mm-hmm.
So that's a normal one. So it's a little bit lower, so we don't have to do all the eye movement stuff. So there it is. We're nice and quick. Beautiful.
Relax right in here. Very good. Good movement. Feel that movement in there? David?
Oh, yeah.
Good. He's in the zone. Okay. Relax right here. Very good.
Oh, man. That feels
Excellent
so good.
movement. Okay. We're going to get some movement right in here, okay? Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Relax right in here. Very good. Relax here. Very good. Okay.
Beautiful. We're going to go around the other side. Move another bone in the neck. Beautiful adjustment.
There you go. Wow. Sorry.
You're good. It didn't hurt. It felt good.
Alright, decided it was better for you.
Ooh.
Damn, that felt so good.
Ooh, there you go.
There you go. It's a little tight. Come on. Let the shoulders go down. Good. 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 There you go.
Nothing's tied up in the head. Got a little tension right there. We like to do this technique because I'm not putting very much torque on his disc. Beautiful. Yeah.
Be a bit of an issue in your tissue. It's going to let go, let number 3 a little bit, or everything dropped. Relax. Big movement to the left. Straight through, there's no twisting. How beautiful is that? Drop all the way. Push the both. Drop. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's set right in. You see how the chin just went up? Here. I'm going to try and move these 2 bones. Drop all the way down your stomach, all the way down. Beautiful. Here. That moved good. This one is tough.
Okay. Now, just relax and keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose. And home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. Did you feel that all the way down? You're holding up real good there. You didn't scream near as loud as I thought you would. You felt that all the way down though, didn't you?
All the way down.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's out of the park. There we go. Relax this. There we go.
Big breath out, keep it out, relaxed. Ooh, that was a good one, huh?
Oh my God. Just lay your head back now. Okay, you want to keep your teeth together.
Okay.
And just breathe through your nose. Yeah. Yeah, you should have felt that go
Oh my God.
all the way down.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, hang on. Look, you're still kicking. You're all right.
Oh my God. No.
Okay, I got you. Let it drop in my hand. There you go. Let it go. It won't hurt. There you go. There. See?
Oh my God.